Okay, so it's been a while since I've made a video, and I've done a bunch of projects that I've wanted to make videos of, but I haven't because I forget or I'm too lazy or whatever. So today, um, if you can't tell, this is the armrest out of my 99 Ranger. And it is broken, as you can see, in a couple pieces, and this is the pivot, and here's the top of it. And I repaired this once before, just with this small piece of sheet aluminum, and it sort of goes together like that. And it worked for a little bit, and then it broke again. And really what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some of that sheet aluminum. I'm going to make a whole bottom piece that fits in this area and that the pivot mounts to. I'm going to make a whole new one out of aluminum. So in theory it'll be stronger, it'll last longer. I'll paint it a nice black so it'll look good, and then I won't have to fix this again. So hopefully that'll work, and I'll show you guys how I'm going to do this. I'm going to try some crazy time-lapse stuff, and we'll see how that goes. Never done it before, so we'll give it a try. Okay, well, hope this is somewhat helpful and informative. If not, I'm sorry. But well, enjoy. Okay, so I just used the air shear here. Nice and quick and simple. And now we have this. That would be the base of the armrest. Right like that. Now I just need to, the way that I'm going to do this is I'm going to cut out the part here. That would be, let's see, that would be this indent. Then I'm going to cut out another piece of aluminum and make a box, and then rivet it onto here so it won't break. And this actually matches up pretty good. I mean, we'll just have to, kind of hard just looking through the screen here, but I mean, heck, that ain't bad. Do a little bit of, grinding there and some filing. Heck, we're almost done. Alright. Okay, so now going to measure out where the hole is in here, where this is going to be, so I can cut it out. Okay, well, I got that piece cut out of there. I still got the nice round corners so that it won't rip. It won't rip the aluminum. I just gotta file it down now and then make a box that will fit on top of there. And actually, I should probably test this. Bam! It fits. So this thing kind of works like, well, actually it goes like this. Yeah. And there's this pivot point that the thing goes through. If I can show it right there. And it sort of goes like that. Bam. Just gotta make that box, drill some holes, rivet the box on, give it a nice black paint job. Hell, we're almost there. Okay, because my actual camera is being stupid and died, I have to use my phone now. So we'll see the difference in quality here. Okay. This box is 4.5 long by 3.5 wide. So, and we're gonna have it 1 1/8 inch deep. So it's gonna stick up 1 1/8 inch. So that'd be 1.125 on each side. So we need to add 2 1/4 to the length and the width. So this is going to be 6.75 long. And then it's going to be, trying to do math in my head, I'm horrible at math, it's going to be 5.75 wide. So we're going to cut that out of this. I'll measure it out, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do from there. Okay, I was just thinking, and these numbers, the 6.75 and the 5.75, are just going to be for the height. I want a little tab that's going to stick out on here where I can drill a hole through so I can rivet it onto here. So I'm going to add a 1/2 inch to each one of these. So this is going to be 7.25, and this one's going to be 6.25, and that should give us enough room. So we're going to scribble those out. So the 7.25 and the 6.25 should give us enough. So we'll go cut this out, and I'm going to cut it right out of here, I think. And we'll see how that goes. I'll let you know. Okay, so now that I have laid this out, this center square right here is what's going to fit through here, and these are going to be what sticks down, and then I still have to measure out the little tabs that will stick out that I'll be able to drill and rivet into. And then these corner pieces right here and there, I'll be able to just cut those right out, and then I can start bending and measuring more and show you how close it'll be. I kind of messed up when I was measuring this. One of these sides is only going to have a 1/4 inch tab. It should be enough, but it's not as much as I wanted. Oh well. But yeah. Okay, we'll show you a little bit. Alright. So I made the box that is going to go like so. But it's going to fit through. It's going to fit through. Well, it's supposed to fit through this box. It's a little bit hard one-handed, but I made the box a little bit. I made the hole a little bit too small, the box a little bit too big. Combination of the two, it's close. I could pound it on there, but I'm just gonna bend this lip up. Focus. Bend the lip up a little bit, and it should be fine. Okay, now this is what the finished product is going to kind of look like. There's the box there. Kind of had to bend the edges up and just kind of beat it on. That's a little crooked, but it's good enough. And then these tabs down here, I didn't make them long enough, so I'm gonna bend them down, try my best to rivet it, and just have to kind of see what happens. Another thing I forgot to do is this pivot that fits right in there. Fits in there good. But I forgot to drill the holes for the thing, so that's not really such a big deal, but the tabs are gonna be the next thing that I gotta try to figure out. I got a couple ideas, but we'll have to see how it goes. But yeah, pretty much that's how it's gonna look. Should work pretty good, I hope. Okay, as you can see, there's tools everywhere. I've obviously done a lot more work since I last updated you guys, but here's the finished product. Pretty much just pivots like that. I still need to paint it, but I got the bolts in there and kind of fudged up that hole, but oh well. I got it on there, it's all riveted. The part that you're gonna see doesn't look too bad. I mean, yeah, it could be better, but oh well. Hell, it was an easy fix. Just gotta take this piece back off. We'll wipe it down, sand it down good, give it a good paint, and yeah. So the top side, the rivets. Put some washers on a couple of them so they'd hold better, but yeah, turned out pretty good. Alright, I'll show you what it looks like when I get it all painted.